Hello friends, in this video I'll be sharing with you how I make my Zobo drink. This drink is very healthy and refreshing. First I have my Zobo leaves. I'll just rinse them and add them up in a pot. To spice this up, I'll be adding some clove to it. So I will rinse it and add it to the Zobo leaf. To it also, I have some ginger that I will rinse and cut into bits and add to the Zobo leaf. Please know that it is important to add ginger to Zobo drink as it gives it that spicy flavor. Slicing in the ginger, I'll set the pot aside and it is time for me to bring in the pineapple and I will wash it thoroughly. After washing the pineapple, I'll be cutting the both ends of the pineapple, then peel to remove the outer skin. Peeling the pineapple, I will add the peels to the Zobo leaf. Add water to it, cover and take to the heat for it to be cooked. As you can see from the video, the Zobo has started boiling, which means it is well cooked. I will turn off the heat and allow it to cool down completely. And here I have my pineapple that I've already peeled. I'll cut it into 2 equal parts, then further cut each part of it into 2. Remove the coal at the middle of the pineapple. Cut it into 2 and then slice into bits. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my videos, I want to say thank you for clicking to watch. Kindly click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell for more awesome videos like this. And to my amazing returning viewers, I want to say thank you for your great support. After chopping the pineapple into bits, I'll be adding them up in a blender. Also, I have some dates that I've already removed the seed and soaked for about 3 hours. I also add the dates to it, add some water to it and blend smoothly. If you want to learn what to do with date seed, please check the video card above. After blending, I'll transfer into a sieve to separate the chaff from it. Here is the pineapple juice. I'll set it aside and bring in the Zobo drink. As you can see, the Zobo drink is completely cool, so I'll be transferring it into a sieve to separate the drink from the Zobo leaf and the pineapple peels. After filtering it, here we have our Zobo drink. I'll be adding my pineapple juice, which will serve as sweetener and flavor for my Zobo drink. Stir together properly. Transfer into an airtight container. This can be served as it is or chilled depending on your preference. It can also be served with ice block on it. Please, if you found value in this video, kindly click on the like button, comment and share this with your loved ones. Please, I'll also be grateful if you let me know where you are watching me from. Thanks for spending your time with me. See you in my next video. God bless.